Konsu is one of the largest providers of financial outsourcing and consulting services in Russia, Kazakhstan, and the CIS. We offer services for the implementation, integration, and support of 1C ERP systems. Our certified specialists successfully implement projects for the deployment and maintenance of 1C accounting systems. The standard configurations do not always consider the specific needs of companies, so we also offer development of custom solutions tailored to your specific requirements, as well as full integration of 1C products with any other software products and applications. We will provide infrastructure configuration, database maintenance and access control, regular updates of 1C products, secure remote access, integration with other accounting systems, customization of standard functionality, and support in case of any questions or issues. Our experts have extensive experience of development, implementation, and supporting of IT solutions. Feel free to contact us for more details. We will offer you the best solution and ensure that they meet the needs of your company.